Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to finish this recipe junk journal. Right now I'm just going to hand cut all of these pieces. I couldn't find my cutter, so it works. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. That helps me a lot. And thank you for joining me. I really appreciate you guys all. So I've been working on this off and on for quite a while. I'm so glad it will be almost finished. So I'm just finishing cutting these up, and then I have some ephemera we're going to put in there. The next step I'm going to do is put all of these different recipe cards I have, and I'm just going to ink both sides. This is Vintage Photo I am using, and I think it just gives it an added, junk journal vintagey look. You can totally use different colors, like, pink, one of the pinks, or whatever color you want, really, to just spice up the cards. Just remember that this is wet activated. So if you get it wet, it will smear. So I am just separating these into pockets and ephemera, and then now I'm going to start putting stuff together. That is a little pocket I made. So I'm just adding some journal cards to it. I'm trying to decide where I want. I have two belly bands, and I'm going to put one on one side of the signature, one on the other, because this is a one signature journal. And so now I am finding where the center is to decide. That's always my hardest part, is where I want to put stuff, A lot of it looks cute everywhere, so I have a hard time deciding where. This is a double belly band, so there are two slots on here, and I love making them. It gives you added space. I have some corner pockets that I am adding, and we're going to add some goodies into that. I will link below the digital kit that I used for this. And now I have made some clusters, and we are going to I added a glue to 3 sides of where I want the cluster, and now I'm trying to decide where I want this other one. And this one I'm just putting all the way down. So now I have the other corner pocket that I'm going to put on the other side of the signature. And I'm doing this up top because that's how I made it. And now I'm going to add the clusters that I made. So this one is just getting put all the way down. The other one is going to be half down like a pocket. And I decide which is which depending on how big it is. So you can put stuff on a bigger pocket than others. And now I'm just deciding where to put everything else. And there we go. It is done. Okay, so now we are going to do a walkthrough. I have lace on the center back. I sewed it in. And then I made this little dangle. It's out of plastic, and it has little goodies in it that I thought would be fun for the cover. Here is this beautiful pocket I made. It was so fun to make. A little bit of stuff on the side, and then it has tags on the front. And if you really wanted to, the piece that is going down, you can put stuff in there. Here's a little pocket with an envelope and some cards in there. And I made some ruffles to go along with it, and there's quite a few different clusters throughout. I just love how this book turned out. This is a CD cover that I decided to revamp and put cards and stuff in it. And there's a lot of open space in this journal set up for you can write in it. Throw some pictures and stuff. I loved this mason jar tags that I was able to create with a die cut I got. These are just little pieces of ephemera, some from scrapbook paper, some from a kit. And then, again, the little mason jar and some ephemera from the kit that I cut out. And then there's the cluster, and so there's a lot of open space set up for writing and pictures. I wanted to be able to, enhance those memories, write down recipes everywhere, wherever you wanted them. You can pull them out or keep them in the book, whichever way you want to. I love ruffles on these. I didn't add a whole lot, but I added enough. I thought that gave it a good accent. I used some paper from a cupcake book. I thought would, be fun. And these are just little cards in a little side pocket. It's all on the way you glue stuff down. And then a little folder, you can add a picture or whatever. And then in that upper pocket, there is a recipe card and another mason jar. And then it's a little corner pocket with some tags from the cutout. And here is that double belly band. I just love it. It gives you more space on one page to add more stuff, which is great. Then I have this dangle on there, which adds a little bit more. And then the back page, I have a 3-pocket that I have, and it's just filled with some extra ephemera. So I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough and how-to, and thank you for joining me. You guys are fabulous and important, and if you go in the link below is where you can find all of my extra where to get stuff and where I'm at. Thanks. Bye.